How to delete a YouTube video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete a YouTube video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting a YouTube video is quite simple. If you're using from browser, go to studio.youtube.com. If you're using from mobile, open up the YouTube Studio application. Make sure to log into the YouTube account or the YouTube channel from where the video that you want to delete, and then just go to the content tab over here. Now depending upon which video that you would like to delete, you can select that by tapping the three dots option here and then tapping on delete. Now I'm not seeing the delete button because I don't have full access to this channel. I can only delete the draft videos, by the way. So if you have a draft video, depending upon whatever it is like that, you can simply go ahead and tap on apply option, then you can tap on the three dots and then you basically find the option to go ahead and then delete that video. If you tap on the edit button and then you choose to delete it, this way you can go ahead and then basically delete your YouTube videos. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.